Hi, my dear Matholics. Welcome to Sarvottam Diksha. From my last video, I know how I got this expression 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 10 equal to 8 by 75. If I solve it, take LCM and all, I will get a quadratic. I took LCM and when I'm solving it, see, solving, I'm assuming you all know. I'm simply writing it. You solve it separately on your paper, pause the video and match the answer. I have taken two common from both the numerators on LHS and RHS and I have cancelled it. I have kept my fractions in minimized possible form. Now, if I solve this equation, I will get a quadratic. So this is the quadratic which I am getting. So here in this step, I have written 75 into 5 intentionally to make you realize this 375 has come after multiplying 75 and 5. To solve this quadratic equation at times also becomes challenge for students as big numbers are involved. So follow the method, there is nothing to get tense about or scared about. S should be minus 35. P should be, I have told in my quadratic video that you should write minus 1 also as one of the factor. Minus 1 to 375 into 4. Now who will factorize this 375? Right, so that's why I wrote this 75 into 5 separately. Need not to factorize again. And this 75 also, please don't use factorization tree and all. With your practice, we know 75 is 25 into 3. So how what you can get here? Now how to form the pairs? So trick here is that I have to make the group of two factors such a way they should give you 5 at the units place. I have 5 here at the units place in the sum. If I put 1 2 here and 1 2 here along with 1 1 5, I will get zeros in the end, and after doing addition subtraction of the two groups, I will get it will end with 0. So here both the twos should be at same place, and if I multiply this with 5, I will get 0 in end. If I put 1 5 here, I will get 5 in end. So when I will add or subtract, it will end with 5 only. So I have taken these four twos, this 5, this 5. What is left? 1, 5 and 3. Now either I can put them together here or here. Let me see, it should be 35. A little hit and trial you have to do. If I put 3 over here, 3 into 5 is 15, right? And I put 5 over here, it is 100. You won't get 35. So what I should do, if I put 3 here, I will get 60 here. And if I put another 5, I am getting, so 60 minus 25 is 35. Where should I keep minus 1? I have minus 35, so minus 1 will come in this group. So I have got the two pairs. So what I'm getting here now, just see. So I will take common 4x over here, x minus 15. 25 I'm taking out, 15 only will be left inside. So I have two answers here. X is minus 25 by 4 and x is 15. It is not possible because my time can't be negative. So bigger pipe is taking 15 hours. So this is how I will solve it. I hope the pipe question, the concept of pipe question is clear to you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.